When should I replace my car's timing belt? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, we have what's called camshafts on a car and a crankshaft. And the reason we have a timing belt or a timing chain is that's what times the pistons to the valve opening. So if your car has a timing chain, then there is no specified interval, but changing the oil frequently will help that last a lot longer. If you have a belt, there's a lot of different variations for there. Typically on a standard timing belt, Mercie J suggests about every 90,000 miles or 10 years, right in that range. But look in your owner's manual, you'll see the specific recommendations, because there are also some specific belts that are actually in oil as opposed to dry. So there's some variables. You need to know exactly what your car has, what the factory recommends, and then follow it from there. Hope this has been informational for you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.